I recently built this rod back Windsor chair. It's one of the later styles of Windsors in about 1800. Now, the first thing I did was design the chair in SketchUp in a three-dimensional model. And one of the advantages of having that three-dimensional model is the ability to produce the full-size templates for all the shapes of things. Here are those templates for that chair, the seat and all the turnings. To the right there you see the leg templates. One is for the lathe, which is split down the center line, and then the other is the full-size template as a whole leg. And I want to use that leg template to the right to show how you can make this leg, make this chair, Windsor chair, and these bamboo turnings without a lathe, for example. So I'm now showing how I make these templates. This is a two-page product out of SketchUp. Two 8.5 by 11 sheets will provide the full-size template of the leg. And first thing I do is just trim off the margin so that I can connect them at their matching point. And at this stage I just connect these two pages with Scotch tape. So I position it carefully, butting them up, and then apply a short piece of Scotch tape. And add a couple other pieces just to stabilize it a little bit at the joint. Now, I don't need this full shape here, so I'll just trim off some of the waste. I'm using an X-Acto knife to make the templates. And I glue this shape to a large sheet of poster board. Now, that's that brown stuff in the lower part of the picture there. You can see the sheet of poster board that I'll use. It is thicker than normal poster board that you would get at a drugstore. I buy these sheets at the art store. They have quite a number of options for thicker material. I need to glue that to the poster board, and I normally just use some glue stick. So I'm getting that glue stick and just painting the back of the paper, trying to make sure that I cover all of the shape of the leg, and then just press it down on the poster board. So the next step is to cut out the shape. In this case, I'm making the template its full shape, not just the cutting down through the center line like I would normally do for the lathe. So this template will be used for creating these legs without the lathe. So that'll be a mix of different tools, a lot of band sawing, spoke shaving, and scraper blades, for example, to shape this leg without the lathe. The size of the leg is 1 3/8 at its largest diameter, and looks like I'm just using a chisel here to knock out some of the little V-cuts in this bamboo joinery, and that finishes the creation of the template.